Bloodstrike looks simple until you drop in and get wiped in the first 30 seconds. If you're new, this game can feel brutal. But don't worry, today I'm going to give you the 10 essential tips every beginner must know to win more fights, survive longer, and actually enjoy the game. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your loadouts, move smarter, and outplay sweaty enemies. Let's get started. Tip 1. Master your movement. Movement in Bloodstrike isn't just running around. Sliding, jumping, and hugging cover make you unpredictable. Always break line of sight. Never sprint in the open. Pro trick, combine slide plus aim for aggressive pushes. Tip 2. Loot fast, fight faster. Don't spend ages looting. Grab armor, ammo, and a decent gun, then move. The longer you sit in one spot, the easier target you become. Prioritize SMG plus AR early game. Swap to snipers or heavies later. Now tip 3. Know your loadouts. Create at least 2 reliable setups. Example, balanced, AR plus SMG for all-round fights. Aggressive, shotguns SMG for close-range rushes. Upgrade your guns whenever possible. The stat boost can win fights. Tip 4, map awareness equals survival in map rotations. Always check the map, safe zones, red zones, and player hotspots. Rotate early, not last minute. You'll avoid being gate-kept. Land in medium hot zones, enough loot but not instantly sweaty. Tip 5, third party like a pro. Don't rush the first 2 teams fighting. Wait, let them weaken each other, then jump in. Easy kills, easy loot. Tip 6, sound is your best weapon. Play with headphones. Footsteps tell you everything. Learn the difference. Footsteps, reloads, and enemy abilities all have unique sounds. Tip 7, always plate up. Never fight without full armor. Take 3 seconds to plate, it saves lives. Tip 8, play the edge of the zone. Being on the edge gives you control. Fewer enemies behind you, more in front. Avoid being stuck in the middle unless you're stacked with loot. Tip 9, smart team play. Stick with your squad, but don't stack in one spot. Call out loot, enemies, rotations. Communication wins fights. Tip 10, confidence wins games. Don't panic. Even if it's 1v3, pick fights on your terms. Confidence makes your aim sharper and movement cleaner.